Hey guys, these animations are created using the powerful new AI that can generate both images and videos. As you can see, the capabilities of this AI in text-to-image, text-to-video, and image-to-video are truly remarkable. In this video, we're going to test it out and learn how to create a short animation using it. Go to the website klingai.com. This AI has three main sections: AI images, AI videos, and video editor. Although the last one isn't ready for use yet, we'll go into the AI images section, and in the prompt box we'll write a detailed description of the image we want to see. There are three ways to refine these descriptions. One is by using Kling AI's own suggestions. The second is by consulting ChatGPT or similar AIs. And the third is by searching for others' work and replicating their structure. Next, you can use an image as a reference to guide the AI for a more accurate result. Here you can choose the size of your image, and in the final section you can specify how many images will be generated. Since this software gives you 66 credits daily and the images don't consume many credits, you can increase this number to have more choices. Alright, now you can press the Generate button. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can make changes to the prompt or provide a reference and try again. Now I should mention that if you want to in-paint or out-paint an image or even remove a watermark, the best free method in my opinion is Focus Collab, which I've discussed and explained in detail in a full video. Also, if you need to, you can remove the watermark from the video using Runway ML, which I have fully explained in a video that you can check out. Now let's go back to Kling AI, and this time we'll go into the AI videos section. You might be asking why we didn't start with text to video. I'm going to test it for you now so you can see, but in general, I have to say that image to video has better accuracy and will be closer to your desired result. So in the first section, we write the prompt and then set the level of creativity or relevance. To use the professional mode or to create videos longer than 5 seconds, you need to purchase one of the paid plans. Apart from the image size selection and writing the negative prompt, which are always there, there's a special section for choosing the type of camera movement, which can really help you. Now you can press the Generate button. It looks great, but I don't see the Pixar style in it. Of course, you can definitely get closer to your desired output by refining the prompt. This feature is mostly suitable for generating realistic videos. For example, take a look at these videos. It's truly astonishing that these videos were created with just a simple prompt. Now let's go to the image to video section and import our image from this part. You can add your prompt, which is optional. The key elements in creating an image-to-video output are the subject and the movement. Unlike text-to-video, which needs scene descriptions, image-to-video already has a scene and just requires specifying what the subjects in the image should do. When directing the model, clearly describe both the subject and the intended action in sequence to guide the model effectively. For example, if you want the Mona Lisa to wear sunglasses, simply saying "wear sunglasses" might confuse the model, causing it to generate a video based on its assumptions, like panning over the painting. Instead, you should describe the subject and the action in detail, such as Mona Lisa puts on sunglasses with her hand, to help the model understand and produce the desired video. Set the rest of the settings similar to the text-to-video section. And finally, press the Generate button. While the video is being generated, I'll do the same for a few more images by adding prompts. For image to video, you can use the 10-second option for free. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can try again by changing the prompt or adding a negative prompt. Thanks for staying with me. Until next time, stay creative.